What's up, guys? KotaBearTV back at the end of another video. So today, guys, I'm on the lake right now. I have my 2020 Polaris SKS 850. I got about 800 miles on it now. I figured I'm going to do some pulls on the lake, give you a top speed. I'm thinking it's going to do about 90, 95, depending, which is actually really good for the SKS because it's a 146 with the 2.25 lug, so it's geared lower. It's meant for more low end and everything. So I mean, really, in reality, if you can hit 90 on this, that's good. I mean, it's a 70-30 crossover, so 30% on trail, 70% off trail. You can go play and do a whole bunch of shit. So I got a guy in a Skidoo 800 coming through. We're gonna run next to each other. His, I know, we'll do like 110. So we'll see how I can hold to an 800 Skidoo trail sled. He's got like a little 120 track, so the 1-inch lug. But let's get into it, guys. We're gonna do a couple runs. I'll put the couple runs in. You'll see how fast this is. Like I said, for what it is, it's actually really fast. It's not meant to be ridiculous like trail sled. So let's get into it, guys. Guys, the SKS on the low end can hold with it, but once you get about 65-70, he just takes off. I have no studs, he has studs, so we'll see how that goes. Let's run another one. That fucking top end for days.
Yeah, I know.
What'd you hit on it, top end?
Probably like 104.
104?
I stopped looking at the last I seen.
Yeah, I had 94 there, I think.
Yeah.
So I had you up to like 75.
You try that.
It bogged out a bunch.
It does. I don't know what's up with it. It's been doing that right off the line. It's stuttering.
It was like and like I would go hard and then and then hard. How much did you have?
94.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. I had like 101.
Okay.
When I was starting to catch back up.
Yeah.
But you had me once I started to go, gone.
Why are you doing that lately?
I don't know. Well, you can take it one more time down and then we'll see. close.
101.
101?
Yup.
Holy shit. Literally no like bogged a whole bunch again. And then like I get to 60 and no more bog.
I gotta run it down too.
So he said he just got 101 on it.
Slight hesitation, and then when it feels like it's bogging, it's grabbing and not grabbing in the slush. So there is an initial, just a quick cutout, and then after that, that's when the track's hooking up and when it's not.
Huh. Yeah, but I'm a big dude. I shouldn't be doing that.
I know. It just did it with me too.
Yeah, but look at how I could never catch you with you on this. I never even could catch you, and then you, like midway, are gone. Like the last one, dude, you were gone forever when you hit 101.
Yeah.
We'll just head back now.
Alright guys, so I forgot to make an outro at the end of this run. So basically what you have to look at is I weigh about 140 pounds more than him. So as you can see, when he rode my sled, he was able to beat me on his skidoo, no problem. When I rode my sled and he was riding his skidoo, he beat me. So I mean, his sled is a trail sled, it's meant for it, whatever, but unfortunately that's how that goes. I mean, I do have about 140 pounds on him. I was to the bar on both sleds, but he said he had 101. I see anywhere between 94 and 96 on the regular, so that's pretty quick for this style sled. But that bog that I was feeling on his Skidoo 800, unfortunately he ended up blowing his motor literally the next day, like 15 miles into the ride. So that's what that hesitation and everything ended up being. He blew the bottom end of the motor, and so that sled is now done. But I just want to say, guys, unfortunately, yeah, I'm going to have a couple videos come out from Maine, but it's not going to be what I wanted. I ended up losing the footage for the first 3.5 days of my trip, which were the best days. We found logging roads for days that hadn't been touched at all, 3, 4, 5 feet before the warm-up, and then unfortunately all the footage I have after that was from the warm-up, and we had one snowstorm that had 6 to 12 inches that we were able to get. So unfortunately I only have what I have for footage. Definitely next year I'm thinking of going back and I'll have more footage. I'm not going to lose it this time, but otherwise enjoy the videos that are coming. Definitely subscribe. I do have some good riding in there, but I'm just only able to make 1 or 2 videos instead of making 4, 5, 6 of them for you guys. But otherwise, that's going to be the end of today's video, guys. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.